week 5, D9, Tuesday, 9/25. Intro to Programming Logic. We reviewed pseudocode, flowcharts. We talked about the legend should match. IPO description. You need a description. You need to explain what's going on. Then in your code, naming, and if you're using cryptic legend, like L for length, then you got to make sure that legend's in your code. We did file management today. We looked at these assignments and conditionals and took a look at assignment 3. Pay with overtime. Okay. So we looked at the conditional. If you have a condition, then here's the true part, else here's the false part, and if. You know, C's are all lined up here. We're talking about pseudocode, how you have to line it up. And then here's what the flowchart will look like, and we've been showing this before also. False, do these instructions. True, do these instructions, and it always comes back together. And then the flow continues. One arrow into the structure, one out. And then here's where I made note. If your legend is cryptic, L means length, then you must state that. I also talked about when you're putting your document together, white space might be good in order to visualize everything in the document. So Linux, we talked about text editors, Nano, and today I did a little bit with VI. We took a look at file management. We talked about directories. Not a lot, but we talked a little bit about directories, and you got the home directory of each student, and then they have their bin directory. And then there's a generic home directory where everybody's in, and then we have these group directories with groups. And so we talked about you can copy, this will preserve the date and time, your file, and then the path to the directory to copy it to, group directory. The student wants to know how to change the name of the file. You can move the file and just move this name, and then this would be the new name. If you want to name it and keep the original and have a new name, you can just use a copy. Here's your original file, and here's a new file with the new name. Then you want to make note of the Linux work. We recorded it today, and that would be in with those enhanced learning materials. Alright, that's it for today. Oh, I should mention quiz Thursday. Everything up through linear structures. That's it now for sure.